In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and add time zones in Outlook. Managing different time zones in your calendar can be incredibly useful, especially if you're working with teams across the world or traveling frequently. Let's walk through this process together to ensure that your Outlook calendar is accurately set up for wherever you may be or whoever you're communicating with. First things first, you'll want to go to Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already signed in, you'll see the sign in option located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're there, enter your email and password to access your account. It's always a good idea to double check that your login credentials are up to date. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right part of the interface where you'll find the settings icon. This is where all your customization options live, and it's an important place because it allows you to tailor Outlook to better suit your needs. After clicking on the settings icon, navigate to the calendar option. The calendar in Outlook is a powerful tool, not just for tracking events and appointments, but also for managing time zones efficiently. You'll now want to scroll down a little bit until you see the time zone field. In this field, you'll notice a drop-down menu. By clicking it, you'll access a list of available time zones. Scroll through until you find the one you need. For this tutorial, we're selecting the UTC plus 080 Perth time zone, but you should choose the one that corresponds to your needs. This flexibility allows you to adjust your calendar accurately, no matter where your business or personal duties take you. With your selected time zone in place, the last important step is to save your adjustments. By clicking the Save button, you'll ensure that these changes are applied to your Outlook calendar. This safeguard guarantees that all future events and reminders are set according to the correct time zone. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed and added a time zone to your Outlook calendar. This minor adjustment can contribute significantly to your productivity by keeping everything organized and timely. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out other ways you can optimize your Outlook experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.